Well, we do have a weather alert this morning, so let's go right on over to Maddie Kirker, who's following this. And Maddie, severe weather alert today.
We do have a severe weather alert for the day today, and this is brand new coming in from the Storm Prediction Center. All of our area basically under that level 2 threat of severe weather. So what does that mean? That means this afternoon to this evening, any storm that develops could be strong to severe. And our biggest threat for the day today is going to be damaging winds in excess of 60+ miles per hour. A very windy day for us, warm day, and some storms could be strong to severe. Here are the different weather impacts because each weather system is a little different. For the day today, we'll have to watch out for some heavy rainfall. You can actually see that that is the medium impact for today. On the low categories, hail and tornado, not going to be a big issue, but the winds are certainly going to be our biggest threat as far as severe weather and the winds outside of the severe weather threat for the day today. Let's talk about our wind gusts forecast. This is what we're looking at for today. Winds will actually increase as the day progresses, especially after about lunchtime today. We'll stop the clock around 5 o'clock. You can see from Urbana to London to Washington Courthouse, those winds ramping up from the west to southwest between 40 and 50 miles per hour. That howling wind will stay with us all the way through about 8 o'clock this evening before we watch as the winds do eventually die down as we head towards later on this evening and overnight tonight. Out there on this Monday morning, we're watching as a little bit of rain is moving into Franklin County. Not necessarily down into downtown just yet here in Columbus. 42 degrees and east-southeast wind at 11 miles per hour right now. Here's what I'm tracking on radar currently. You can see a little bit of light rain moving in along the 270 loop here and I-70, also along I-75. So if you're going to be making your way from Columbus to Dayton, you'll be running into the first little round of rain showers that are moving in. Again, this is kind of a closer view for you. As we widen the view, this is what is to come. So you may be walking outside thinking, oh, it's just a little bit of rain, but it's actually going to be a lot more than that as we go through later on today. This line of thunderstorms that you see moving through St. Louis right now will be making its way through Indiana and then eventually moving into central Ohio later on this afternoon. That is when we'll have the threat of seeing strong to severe storms. So here is your hour-by-hour forecast. This morning, it's just going to be some rain showers off and on all the way through about lunchtime. We may even see a little bit of a lull as we go through about noon. Noon is when I think we'll see the beginning of a couple of thunderstorms. 2 o'clock, we're also looking at some storms. Now, as far as the severe weather threat, after about 3 o'clock, here comes that line. There's 4 o'clock moving through Columbus, Marion, down into Circleville. And then as we go through 5 to 6, that will be the primary line that'll give us those strong to severe storms. Again, really after about 2 o'clock today is when we have that threat for severe weather. So today, 100% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Again, some of those storms could have damaging winds. So make sure you're extra weather aware for the day today. Heading into our Tuesday, a mix of sun and clouds in the 50s. Now we're going to be actually near 70 heading into Wednesday, and then we're tracking the chance of seeing some rain and snow heading into our Friday.